You probably picked up your phone today without a notification. Nothing buzzed, nothing flashed. Your hand moved to pick it up anyway. It's the real attention crisis. Your brain has learned to interrupt itself. On a screen, the average person now stays on one thing for about 47 seconds. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how that happened and 3 ways to train your focus back. Researchers tracked this for years. In 2004, people stayed on one screen for about 2.5 minutes. By 2012, 75 seconds. Now, roughly 47 seconds. The popular claim that humans have an 8-second attention span, worse than a goldfish, that's actually fake. It came from an unsourced marketing footnote spread through corporate reports and became something people repeated as fact. But the real story is more useful and a lot heavier. You weren't born like this. You used to be able to fully focus, but you were trained to switch. Every notification is a repetition. A sound pinged, you look. A badge appears, you open. Nothing appears, eventually you check anyway. Your brain learns the sequence so well that the interruption no longer needs to come from the outside. The app closes, but the habit stays. Researchers have also found that after a diversion, it can take around 25 minutes to sink fully back into demanding work. So the cost is not the 10 seconds spent checking. The cost is the depth you never reach afterward. And that's why an entire afternoon can pass by while producing almost nothing you care about. Now, here's the part that should make you hopeful. Your attention isn't broken. It's been trained. And training can change. Not instantly, not through one detox weekend, but through deliberate repetitions that teach your brain a different pattern. And you know what? Try something now. Place your phone face down or out of reach and leave it there until this video ends. Just for a couple of minutes. That small discomfort is the exercise starting. When you're ready, try these. Move 1. One long rep every day. 20 minutes, 1 book, 1 page, 1 problem, 1 task. No switching. Your attention will wander. Expect it. The moment it does, bring it back. That return is the rep. Don't measure whether you stayed perfectly focused. Measure whether you returned sooner and remained a little longer than yesterday. The goal is not to feel concentrated. The goal is to practice coming back. Now, focus is not rebuilt only while you're working. Here's the next one. Move 2. Stop killing every gap. The line at the store, the elevator, the kettle, the 30 seconds before someone joins the call, those empty moments now feel uncomfortable because your brain expects stimulation. Choose one gap each day and leave it empty. No scrolling, no podcasts, no quick check. Let the urge rise, complain, and pass. Boredom is not wasted time here. It's your brain learning that silence doesn't need an escape. And the third move is the one most people avoid. Stop trusting willpower. Don't get me wrong, willpower is a good thing. But in this case, try something different. Make distraction expensive. Put the phone in another room. Log out of the apps that pull you in automatically. Turn off every notification that doesn't come from an actual person who needs you. Remove shortcuts. Add friction. You don't need to win the argument with yourself 50 times a day if that urge never begins. This is where people become discouraged. The first week may feel worse. You will notice every urge. You will relapse. Some 20-minute sessions will last 4. That doesn't mean the method failed. Track one thing. How long do you last before you switch? 47 seconds become 60, then become 2 minutes, then 10. Progress will look ordinary long before it feels impressive. Your attention is one of the last parts of your life that can still be entirely yours. Entire industries compete for it seconds at a time. Taking it back will not look dramatic. It will look like finishing the page, staying in the conversation, completing the thought before reaching for another one. So choose one move for tomorrow. One 20-minute rep, one empty gap, or one distraction made harder to reach. Start with something doable. Work on it, protect it. And tell me how it goes in the comments.